How to add Canva website navigation bar. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a navigation bar to your website through Canva. Okay, so you have your website in front of you. You can name the pages. Let's just name this page 2. This is on the grid view. You can take it to the normal view as well and edit your page name. And then with the preview, you want to click on the option with navigation. It's not going to show without navigation, so we want that option. And then you'll be able to see your website and also the navigation bar at the top. And we can do that with the website view as well. Then you're going to click on Publish Website, okay? And it will give you all of this to fill in. We are just going to click continue, and we are going to click on the option that they give here. Let's click on publish, and then you have to wait until they have prepared your design so that we can click on the link and go to the website, and then we will be able to see the navigation bar. So click on view a website, and then you'll see here in the top right corner you can click on home. This is the home. You can click on the page and then the page 12 section, which is blank because I just left it blank. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and comment.